Hello guys, Tech Monster back again. Today I'm just making another quick one because I am kind of running out of ideas. If you could comment below anything you'd like to see a video on related to tech, obviously. I will try my best to make it, but today I'm going to be showing you a video about fixing a keyboard because it happened to me. I'm not sure how it happened. I didn't do any updates or anything, but my keyboard suddenly stopped working where when you click start and you can normally start typing, it wouldn't let me type. So if you are having this issue, you just want to basically go to your File Explorer. By the way, what I'm saying, go to File Explorer and type in stuff, that's because it will work in everything else apart from like the start and stuff. You want to go to your local disk where Windows is installed, Windows folder, scroll down to System32. This isn't anything dangerous, don't worry. And you're going to have to scroll right down or search it. It is this, CTF-mon. So CTF, with search. This will pop up. You want to right click it, click pin to start. Mine says unpin because I've already done it. But yeah, pin to start. And then every time your keyboard starts messing up, you literally just run it, nothing will happen. But suddenly you'll be able to type again and it'll all be working. So I hope this helped. We've actually got to 12 subscribers and we're close to getting 400 overall views. But if we can hit 20 subs, I'd say a week from this video being uploaded, that would be amazing. So make sure you go and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you get a notification every time I upload. Like the video if it helped, comment below if it helped, and comment below any suggestions you have. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.